This is the moment. Experience the ENGEL Victory Electric. The future of injection molding starts now.
I'm very delighted, very happy to be here in front of you today, and also very proud to present you a real world premiere at the K 2025. You know, in a career, it's maybe once or twice that you have a moment like this, and I think we're going to remember this for quite a while. We are going to present you today the new Victory Electric. We had the idea for more than 10 years, Gerhard and I, and we have taken several attempts to develop the next generation of Victory machines. By the end of the day, you see in a minute the result, and it looks really simple. And you ask yourself maybe, oh, what's the big fuss about it? Believe me, the most complex thing is to develop a simple machine which runs and performs perfectly. And who else could be better than our Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Gerhard Dimmler, than explaining this machine, this beauty to you. So Gerhard, please go ahead.
As Stefan mentioned already, today we present a world innovation. We present our Victory Electric. And we have combined the best of two worlds. The precision and the low energy consumption of the electric drive technology with the freedom of the victory of the fiberless machine concept. And as CTO of ENGEL, but much more as engineer who followed the development of the fiberless technology over the last 20 years, I'm really proud today to present our new baby, the Victory Electric machine. But to be honest, this is not only just a new machine. It allows us to really rethink injection molding on a new way. Where other machines reaches their limits due to the diaper distance and diaper spacing, this machine of the fiberless concept opens the ideas. You know, the servo-driven drives, they stand for each shot is precise, powerful, and repeatable. And so the electric drive fiberless machine concept opens space for really new ideas on a new level. Think about large molds. Think about complex products you can produce on that machine. Think about a larger turntable, or think about complex core pulls. And please don't forget the freedom for automation solution on that machine. And most of you know footprints become more and more important, especially when you think about medical application when the machine is running in a clean room. And therefore, we were able to reduce the machine length exactly on that machine by more than 200 millimeters. That means we transformed each square meter into pure productivity. And another very important point, the energy consumption. The energy consumption of this new machine is on the same level than a classical electric toggle machine. That means we could reduce the energy consumption of the new clamping unit by more than 30% in comparison to a classical tabless machine. But the machine not only defined by the clamping unit, it also benefits from our new developed all-electric injection units with their higher performance, with the higher injection speed. And with this new machine concept, we can ensure to meet both, on the one side, the requirements from technical injection molding, but also the demands for packaging and higher performance application. But now I want to come back to the clamping unit again. The Victory Electric stands and defines a new standard in terms of clamping force. With our patent technology, with these two horizontal push rods that you can see here now, we can ensure a very precise force distribution on the whole mold surface. And so that means even very sensitive tools are protected and that deformation is avoided and dimensional accuracy is maintained over the whole lifetime. That means this machine feels the tool. It allows even manual adjustment if you run a mold with off-centered cavities, for instance. And as Stefan already mentioned, this sounds so simple. This sounds so even. But believe me, this innovation is based on a more than 35 years experience in typerless technology. And we are talking about here the 7th generation of typerless machine. And this illustrates in a perfect way, in my opinion, how long development was, how deeply the development goes, and how rocky was the path. What you can see here is the Victory Electric is more than just a new machine. It's really the beginning of a next generation of injection molding. And this concept that we present today is possible to be scaled up till 500-ton clamping force. And due to the modularity of the engineering concept, all the options, all the features on our classical Victory machines can be used. And by the way, maybe some of you have seen it already, this machine also got a new safety gate design. But this maybe is not so important than the heart of the machine with our new clamping design. And what you can see here today, it's not only a prototype. This machine is ready for delivery. And what you can see here is that the future starts here and now on the K-Show 2025 with our new baby, our Victory Electric. Thank you.